Another unique point to the pivot is the bearing and eccentric assembly. You see, the bearing and eccentric assembly, and I've got one of ours right here, is one of the most key components because this is what drives all of the cleaning. It's what makes the deck orbit, and if this doesn't work, your machine won't work. Now, let's take a look up close at the cutaway of this bearing and eccentric assembly and talk about what makes the pivot unique compared to all of its competitors. One of the keys to our design is the additional seal that helps to keep contaminants out of the bearings. Not only does water have to get past 2 seals in order to make it to our bearings, but water would have to actually migrate up and over the seals to get into the bearings. This is a key level of protection that allows us to provide a 5-year warranty on our eccentric and bearing assemblies.